Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide your connections list on LinkedIn. This is a great way to maintain privacy and control who can see your professional network. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn stores all your account configurations and privacy controls. Now you'll be on the Settings and Privacy page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Look for the option labeled Visibility and click on it. This section contains all the settings related to how visible you and your information are to other LinkedIn users. Within the visibility settings, scroll through the options until you find Connection Visibility. Click on it to access the specific controls for managing who can see your connections. This is the key setting that determines whether other users can view your network. Now you'll see the Connection Visibility setting displayed on your screen. Right beside it, there's a toggle button that controls this feature. This toggle is what allows you to quickly turn the visibility of your connections on or off. Click the toggle button to turn it off. By doing this, you're effectively hiding your connections list from other LinkedIn users. Your network will now remain private, and only you will be able to see who you're connected with on the platform. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your connections list on LinkedIn, giving you more control over your privacy on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.